To capture a class and add notes using the Note-Taking Express hub, from the My Dashboard screen, select New Project. Then give the project a title, select a subject category and a subject. When you click Done, your new project will load. Before the class, you can bring in PowerPoint slides to bring in all the material together. To do this, head to the File section of the New Projects menu. Select the plus icon. You can drag and drop the slides into the File Upload area, or you can click on this to locate the file within your Explorer. Once your slides have been successfully brought into the File section of the New Project screen, you can split the slides. To do this, select the Options icon from beneath the image and choose Split Pages. You can auto-assign the slides to a bookmark created during a class recording. Or you can split the pages to assign to bookmarks during the class recording or following the class. Once your slides have been successfully split, you can assign these to bookmarks you make during a class recording. Another useful organisational strategy is to create labels. These will help you organise your bookmarks when you revisit a project. To do this, head to the Labels option, and you can add multiple labels to identify information by colour or topic. To do this, click the plus icon, select the colour you prefer, and click Done. You can then title the label to add to bookmarks as you are recording. Within each project, you can add multiple labels. When your class begins, go to the Bookmark section and press Record. You can choose to record the audio from the class or to create a video recording. Select which option you would prefer. You may need to give permission to the program to access your microphone. To do this, click Allow. As the class is recording, you can begin to add bookmarks to the project. To do this, click the Add Bookmark button and a bookmark will appear. You can then title the bookmark and begin to add notes beneath. You can also title the notes and add text beneath the note title. You can add as many notes as you would like to each bookmark you create. To apply a label to a bookmark you have created, select the Options icon and choose which label to assign. You can create multiple bookmarks throughout the class to identify useful information. A label can be applied to each bookmark along with a title and as many notes as you would like to create. To assign a PowerPoint slide to a bookmark, head to the Files section. Select the slide you would like to assign. Select the Options icon beneath this and choose Send To, and then select which bookmark you would like to add the slide into. Within the Bookmarks section, you can see the slides which you have assigned, which can then be reviewed and resized as necessary to view the information in more detail. Once you have finished capturing a class in the Note-Taking Express Hub, click the stop icon and your project will be saved. Your recording will be prepared. Select OK to acknowledge this. Once your recording is ready, you are able to review this from any computer or mobile device with an internet connection.